everybody. We all are gathered for a new program called Reduce. It is a very easy weight loss solution. Yeah, it is like eat and lose weight. That is our main thing. Enjoy your weight loss program. Till now, there are no programs which have come up where you can say that you enjoy your weight loss, you enjoy eating and you lose weight. So that's what our weight loss program Reduce is all about. It is convenient. It is according to the individual's requirement. There is no lifestyle modification required. It fits into your lifestyle. We work on three things, that is the portion control, the frequency and the time. That's how we work on for Reduce program. To make it simpler for people, we provide 3 meals in it. And the 3 meals they have on their own, which the dietitian will be providing it to them. There are 3 things which we take care of. One is we monitor the program. We make them check their weight regularly. Secondly, we guide them, and support them wherever it is required. That's what is our Reduce, a new weight loss solution. It is unique and very convenient. There is no tension as to what and how to go about it. It is time saver. There are no hunger pangs, no starvations, no separate cooking required. So it is a simplified weight loss program. Any points more? Yeah. We have, yes.
From here onwards, apart from fitness trainers, you will be having dietitian also here?
We otherwise also have a dietitian in the branch, yeah. Now we are making the program simplified for the dietitian. When we counsel, the counseling is being done. We tell them to eat this, eat that. Now we are providing the food to them. We have 50 plus variety range of products, as you can see the display over here. We have main meals options, we have snack options, and we have beverages options. So there is no boredom, and it's a focused program for a short duration. Like we have 2 packages available for it. One is 45 days and the other is 90 days. And we have a trial pack of 1 week.
What's the content?
There's normal food, natural food, real food. Nothing, no supplements, nothing it is. Otherwise, how we eat. Like we eat idli, dosa, upma, dokla, poha. Then the snacks like biscuits, cookies. Then there are sharbats, like the drinks, lemon tea, lemon drink. You all had the tea right now? Yeah, that was one of our product, lemon tea. Okay, so these are different variety, 3 different varieties which are available. So whatever modifications we do, one of the main meals we provide them, 1 snack and 1 beverage is what is provided to them.
Meals what? I mean, they have to cook or like?
No, the main meal which is there, it is like in a ready to cook form. The snacks are you have to just open and eat. And the beverages, you have to just mix it in water and have it. Like we have milkshakes, we have smoothies, then we have soups. So there are different variety, 50 plus variety. Still there are few products which are in pipeline. We did a lot of research for this like 2-3 years back. And then that's how we came up with this kind of a program. We always had a weight loss program in our branches. And this was being almost 5 years we have done the research. We first launched it in Bangalore. Now we are launched, then Mumbai we launched, and now we are launching it pan-India. Hyderabad is one of the places.
All these certified by the...
Yeah. All. You can see behind everything is there. The licensing, everything required are there in it.
License from home?
FSSI.
Okay.
So everything is taken care of.
And what makes this products unique from other, like we say biscuits? Now if you prescribe on a diet, okay, have some digestive biscuit, you have to have 2, but you don't get anything in 2, okay, you'll get a packet. So you end up eating 3 or 4. Here everything is portion controlled, okay, so everything is measured, what you are supposed to eat, the quantity, okay. If I tell you to make a upma, say take 30 grams of rava, 10 grams of oil, or 10 grams of all the onions or something, it becomes very difficult and hectic. So here everything is portion controlled and everything is measured. All you have to do is just prepare it and eat it. So on the go, you don't have to worry about how much to eat, what to eat.
Your plans for commercialization? Like, after
We are
that
not
you-
selling the products.
Yes, what,
We are not selling. Till now,
It's for
the
only
plans.
Talwalkar.
It's
Yes.
only Talwalkar. It's made for Talwalkars, by Talwalkars, and we are using it as our new program, weight loss.
How much each one month, one you have with each person, it cost about?
The cost of the program, it is 12,000 plus tax for 45 days, and 90 days is 19,000 plus tax. It's a 90-day program, and one is 45 days program. It's a focused short term. See, usually when people want to lose weight, it becomes a big commitment. So the shorter the commitment, better the results. So we have short-term commitments which we take, we make them lose. Again, if they want to lose further, suppose a person wants to lose 20 kgs of weight, it will take a year for them, but we give them gaps in between where they can, after some particular days again, they can start off and be on the program.
Which is better, eat and lose or go
Definitely
for
eat
exercise
and-
lose weight?
See, exercise is for fitness. We are brand for fitness, so that we are not saying anything no for it. Definitely you should exercise. It should be part and parcel of your daily routine. But the problem is eating. People are not able to eat the right thing at the right time with the right portion. So that's what we are focusing on in our reduced program.